Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to test mobile SEO performance with mobile first indexing. Testing your site for mobile usability is crucial for rankings and user experience. Mobile traffic dominates the web. If your site fails on mobile SEO, you risk lower rankings, poor user engagement, and lower conversion. When testing mobile SEO, focus on mobile usability, page speed, core web vitals, and content display. Start with Google mobile friendly test. Enter your URL and Google will tell you if your page is mobile optimized or has usability issues. In Google Search Console, use the mobile usability report. It shows errors like small text, elements too close, or content wider than the screen. Use Google PageSpeed Insights. It gives mobile specific performance scores and core web vitals data like LCP, CLS, and FID. Run a lighthouse audit in Chrome Developer Tools. It checks mobile SEO, accessibility, and performance, providing a detailed report with actionable fixes. Monitor core web vitals for mobile. LCP, it means loading time. CLS, it means visual stability. FID is responsiveness. These directs affect rankings. Don't rely on tools. Test your site manually on different mobile devices. Check fonts, buttons, menus, and readability. To pass mobile SEO test, use responsive design and optimize images for mobile. Keep menus simple and avoid intrusive pop-ups. Test mobile SEO using Google tools like Mobile Friendly Test, Search Console, PageSpeed Insights, and Lighthouse. Combine these with manual testing to ensure top performance. Thanks for watching. Test your mobile SEO today to improve rankings and user experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tutorials.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.